Under fire, disputed Zimbabwe President Emmerson Mnangagwa has been given two scenarios by SADC to either step down and pave way for a traditional authority that will lead Zimbabwe until the Southern African country gets back to normal, or face fresh elections in Zimbabwe by June 30, 2024. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where I'll give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. It's not like SADC is asking President Emmerson Mnangagwa to choose between the two scenarios. SADC is on a consultation segment where they are concentrating on the feasibility side of things. For instance, should President Emmerson Mnangagwa agree to step down, it makes it easier for SADC to facilitate a traditional authority that should then lead Zimbabwe for now as electoral reforms are being dealt with. But should the president reject stepping down, SADC will simply go ahead with fresh elections in Zimbabwe. They have settled for June 30. This is today's news about SADC giving President Emmerson Mnangagwa two options: to either host fresh elections in Zimbabwe or step down and let traditional authority lead. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.